welcome back to my channel. It's Chelsea. It's time for another base layout plan with me. It's going to be for November 16th through the 22nd this week, 1 week until Thanksgiving. I'm doing the Choose Joy weekly kit plus a couple of add-ons from GoldPaperPrints. If you want to see more about this kit specifically, go ahead and check out her website or check out my haul, link down below. Other than that, let's go ahead and get into it. is the final layout. I never know how close this is going to be. Okay, there we go. So this is the final base layout for November 16th through the 22nd, the week before Thanksgiving. I did change it up again a little bit. I actually was inspired by one of the PR girls with GoldPaperPrints. She didn't like her spread being not scattered with the full boxes, so I decided to just go ahead and do a non-scatter full box just because it was a little inspiring, and I was like, and I think for the following week I might actually move the today's down here and put the full boxes in the middle, just because, I don't know, I always have my little grateful things down here, my memories or whatever you want to call them, right here. So I mean, why not? So we'll see how that comes out. If you want to see the plan with me for this, where I put stickers down, other than just this layout, it's stickers and filling everything out. Make sure to stay tuned for Monday. That's when this will be up. And yeah, happy Friday. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye, guys.